People in less economically developed countries, also known as LEDC, do their laundry at riverside using chemical detergent, which directly flows into nature and causes harmful effect to the environment. To solve such issues, we designed Vortex Laundry, a washing machine that only requires water energy to do laundry. The key feature of the Vortex Laundry is that it does not use any electricity, physical labor, nor environmentally harmful chemicals such as detergent. To assemble Vortex Laundry, the users have to cut off the ends of the existing plastic containers. Lots of containers with universal sizes are used, but easily thrown away in LEDC. Vortex Laundry contains a total of 4 caps. Each cap is designed in stairway shape to cover most of the universal-sized containers. The large cap with a spring lid is specifically designed to cover any height of the universal-sized container. Assembling method is simple and direct. First, place a small container on top of the small cap and insert dirty laundry. Second, close the other end of the cap with a stopper by pulling it. Third, place a small container inside a large container and on top of the large cap. Lastly, close it again with a stopper. The uses of Vortex Laundry is followed. Bring it to the riverside, then stabilize it on the bottom of the river. As water enters the Vortex Laundry, the water energy rotates it and the water vortex is created to enhance its speed and to the laundry. To block any rocks entering, a filter is attached in front of a small container. As water passes through the ceramic ball, it enhances the detergency of the dirty laundry. As the water vortex causes friction between laundries, it removes dirt. This is the result of our prototype. Through Vortex Laundry, clothes are clean now. Vortex Laundry, a new laundry experience that only requires natural energy from the river.